Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to block someone on WhatsApp application. Before starting, if you guys are not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for the latest upcoming and informative videos like this. So without any further delay, let's get started. Everyone has their different reason for wanting to block someone, but essentially it's a last resort, final move to let someone else know how they know that they do not have the right to be a presence in their online life and they are having a negative impact on you. So we are going to open our chat, and after opening chat, you can select the chat or the person whom you want to block. So here I'm going to choose the first option, and after opening the chat box, here on the right side you can see 3 dot and I'm going to tap there. After opening that, at the last option you can see more and we need to tap there. So after tapping on more, you can see the 5 options. The first one is to report, the second one is to block, third one clear chat, export chat, add shortcut. In today's video we are going to learn how to block someone. So here we are going to block this person, so we need to tap on block. And if you want to report, then you can add a report also, but here I'm going to simply tap on block. So this is how you guys can block someone whom you want to block in a WhatsApp application. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are new and turn on the notification bell for the latest upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much guys for joining.